Man, I should go get my brakes fixed. I just need you to fix my brakes. They're really squeaky. Okay. Good thing Toys R Us had a drill. What? I said, good thing I don't smell like Bill. Oh, okay. Hiding under there, eh? Little rascal. This is causing the problem. My car should be done by now. You're all set. Okay, thanks. Your car was fine, there was just some things in the way. Okay, great. Time to test out the new brakes. Huh? Come on, stop! Gotta be kidding me. Alright, you're coming with me. You see, this was a huge misunderstanding. I had to go get my car fixed, and the man there removed all the brakes from my car, and that's why it looked like I was running the red lights, was because I didn't have any brakes. Yep. That's what they all say.